build it right, be safe, be competent. I have a project. I need to true up my whiteboard, get rid of the ragged edge, make it straight or whatever. So I come out to my bandsaw. I measure 6 1/4. Well, I come over here. I go to 6 1/2. I put a line on it right there. That meant I was going to cut off 1/4 inch. I come down here. My benchmark was 17 3/4. Come down here and measure 17 3/4, which is the black line now. But I found out when I do that, my cut will be here on this end. So what I do, I make the adjustment. I come back to here. I put me another benchmark, 17. Come down here, new benchmark. The 0 is my benchmark. Now that I got a benchmark on both ends, come down here. Flip it at my benchmark. Incidentally, these clips have to be off the edge of the table. You can't run into them. So now that I got a straight guide, I got plenty of room to cut off what I need to. I got a long lead in, long tail out. Here's how she works. Nice clean edge. This edge is parallel to that. As you see, the white line, it varied quite a bit. That's the reason why you had to leave you some safety measure. So now, I have a whiteboard. No ragged edge, and a board that I'm proud to write on. Thank you.